Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a haul from Marketplace on Facebook, and it was posted in a Facebook group, and so it was kind of weird. I found it in Marketplace, but then when I clicked it, it went to a group through Facebook, whatever. But the lady had delusion stamps, and she had some older ones that I don't have, and I already had bought one from her, and then I messaged her if she had other ones, and she's like, yeah, so she showed them. So this is the first one I bought. I showed this. It's called Dependable Dottie. Like I said, it was missing one skull, she told me, and I was like, no big deal, because I really wanted her this. So I got that one the other day. Then she showed me other ones she had, and I'm like, I will take them. The little birds, which I thought were cute. I didn't have that one. It's called How Does Your Garden Grow? And then look at the little monsters. Love it. Yeah, so we got that. And then she said, I also have this. And this one I was like, oh, my must have. It's the Chunky Gal from Art by Marlene. I was like, oh yes, awesome. Look at them all. So I got that. And then she's like, oh, I got this. She had a brand new journal, which I was going to buy shortly here anyways, because I don't got too many pages left in mine. So got that, and she sold them for this. I pay anywhere between $25 and $30 for these if I get lucky. She sold this to me for $20. She sold me this for $5, and she sold me the delusion stamps for $10 each. So that was cool. And then she's like, "Oh, I have some rulers." And this one they don't make anymore. It's the long one. I don't know why they don't make it, because it went down to a smaller size. So I'm like, yes, I will take that. And then she had the original without the lines, because I have this one, and I chipped it. So I was going to replace it anyways. So it doesn't matter. So I got them $5 each. So I was happy with that. And then, the last but least, I thought this was cool. She had this Tim Holtz allergy tissue wrap for $4. And she showed me how much was on it. That's a lot. That's a lot. Look at that is so cool. And I was like, oh my God, that's long. I didn't think it was, because I have one, the only one I ever got my hands on, and it's half the size. So I don't know how old this is, probably before I even started buying Tim Holtz. But she sold me that for 2012. So that was cool. And that is my Marketplace haul. So I think I got some good deals. Yep. And she's still going through stuff. She's like, she said she will message me. She got some more delusions or Art by Marlene. Oh, I can't talk. That she comes across that she's going to destash and let me know. So I thought I'd just share that. So sometimes those Facebook groups can be good. And I like the fact that I found some older stamps that are retired. So that was a bonus for me, because you can't find this anymore. So it's because it's retired. And I think this one's retired as well. And I think this one is, I think they're all retired. So that was a cool find. I know you can still pick her up, because I've seen her. But so I thought I'd just share this little haul with you. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will talk to you next video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.